So everything has a singularity, a point of origin, a singular point where all nodal points pulse back to and from. The creator is this infinite spherical energy, and this energy is self-aware and conscious of its own creation because its creation pulses back to the source, making this energy self-referential, meaning the creator is capable of learning, which leads to self-awareness, once the creator is capable of serving itself through its own creation. And then there is a visual representation of this, which is what I just spoke about earlier. So you see, because energy is motion, it pulses, because the creator is spherical energy and spheres are infinite in nature. So like the sun is the best representation, right? So because if you think about it from that point of view, then that energy pulses, right? So there's a natural feedback loop of that energy moving to and from to the source, which is the singularity at the center of it. And this is just the infinite pattern of creation at all energy states. And because this is the way it is, then as that energy moves, pulses, right? Then it becomes aware of its previous state because it's self-referential. It knows its positions, its locations. And when you do that to infinity, eventually you develop a system, a pattern. And that pattern is what we call learning, right? Self-referential, because it learns, because it can make decisions based on where it used to be and that, and it knows everything. And with that learning comes, awareness and self-awareness and consciousness and self-consciousness. And this is an infinite process where the observing of it becomes the observer, and the observer becomes observed by itself, and this process goes to infinity. So that's who we are. So that is the infinite energy of creation, and that's the creator. The creator is that, and he knows everything, right? And we are that at the biological scale. We are it at the biological scale, right? We're the manifestation of that consciousness and self-awareness biologically. The reason why we have an infinite ability to be creative and to think and that is because we are infinity ourselves at the biological scale. Our thoughts are that, right? It's our infinite ability to be this conscious and self-awareness of everything that there is and would always be. So if you understand this as our nature, which is the case, then you understand the beginning of everything, which was this energy that pulses to infinity, and this becomes self-referential, and this learning becomes self-aware and conscious, and eventually becomes intelligent and sentient, so it can make decisions with that energy that it is, so it can create things with it. And that's how creation started. And it's all infinite spherical energy. And we are just the biological representation of that.